In this video, I'm going to show you how to add subtitles to your projects in CapCut. So subtitles slash captions. So what we can do is whatever media you have, make sure you have obviously your audio with it as well. And what we can do is go up here to the section where it says captions. Go ahead and click captions. I like to just have it on English, just some of the default settings. And what you can do here is just go over here to where it says generate and hit generate. That'll take a couple seconds. We will patiently wait for these to generate the captions. And then what we can do is go ahead and hit play.
So, I got a dog.
And now with these captions, you'll see them above your video where they happen in the video. And then over here, once you have it selected, you can actually go over here and change the size. You can change the font size, the color schemes, really anything that you want, the type of uppercase or lowercase. It's really up to you, but it's really customizable once you have your actual captions there. I think the CapCut does a really good job with the auto-generate stuff, and it's real easy just to click and choose and really make it the way you want. So that is a quick way to show you how to put subtitles or captions on your CapCut project. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.